In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this Queen tribute video using AI tools, step by step. This is not a generic course about making every kind of AI video. This is the real workflow I used to build this specific project.
You'll see how I created the aged versions, built the backstage scenes, combined the younger and older versions, animated the images, and finished the final tribute. Normally, lessons like this would be part of a paid course, but I'm making this one completely free for my channel subscribers. You'll see how I created the aged versions, built the backstage scenes, combined the younger and older versions, animated the images, and finished the final tribute. If you want to learn how to create amazing AI videos like this, strong visual storytelling, and step-by-step workflows, you're in the right place.
If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like so you won't miss the next tutorials I'll be sharing here.
In this project, I used three main tools. Grok was used to animate those images into video.
Note that in the free version of Grok, the video resolution is 480 pixels.
Gemini was used to create the images.
It's important to know that the free version of Gemini has a daily limit for image generation.
And CapCut was used to organize everything, edit the takes, and assemble the final tribute.
It's also important to know that in the free version of CapCut, some tools are unavailable.
Now I'm going to show you how each of those steps was built. Only for those who watch this class, I left a special offer. 2 mini courses based on super viral videos from this channel. Each course is now 50% off, from $29 to just $14.50. The link is in the description.
First, choose 2 images of the person featured in the video. One younger image and one current image. Next, open a new conversation in Gemini and upload the younger image.
Now paste the appropriate prompt, which we made available for download, and click Generate.
If you want to adjust details like the background or other image elements, you can use Grok. Then open a new conversation in Gemini and upload the image you just created. Along with it, also upload the current image of the person and paste the second prompt available for download. Click Generate, and now you will have the 2 main images ready for the project.
To age the image, open a new Gemini conversation, upload the younger image, paste the aging prompt, and click Generate.
Now let's move to the animation stage. Open Grok and switch to video creation mode. Then upload the final image you created earlier with the younger and current versions together. Next, paste the appropriate prompt we made available for download and click Generate. If the animation has flaws or does not look the way you want, simply click Generate again. Repeat this process for all the other characters. This way, you will have all the individual videos ready. In the next step, we'll create the full band image and video. Now let's create the full band image and video.
Open a new conversation in Gemini and upload the images of each band member.
Then paste the prompt we made available for download and click Generate.
This prompt was created specifically for the band Queen. If you are creating a project with other artists or characters, you can paste this same prompt into Grok and ask it to adapt it to your case.
After that, open Grok, upload the generated image, paste the video prompt we also made available for download, and click Generate. If the result is not the way you want, simply repeat the process until you get a better animation.
Now open CapCut and import all the videos you created along with the full band image.
To avoid copyright issues, download the audio you're going to use directly from the YouTube audio library. Drag the band image onto the timeline and set its duration to about 10 seconds. Move the playhead to 1 second and create a keyframe with size at 100%.
Then move the playhead to 9 seconds and create another keyframe with size at 500%. Move the playhead back to 1 second and create a keyframe at the initial position.
Then move the playhead to 9 seconds, create another keyframe, and drag the image toward the desired artist.
Drag the selected artist's video onto the timeline, cut the unnecessary parts, and reduce the audio, if there is any, to 0. Now use the band image again with size at 500% and in the same position as the previous artist. With the image already positioned, create a position keyframe. Then move the playhead to the end of the frame, create another keyframe, and drag the image toward the next desired artist.
Repeat this same process with all the remaining artists. Only the last band video will have a small modification.
After the last artist video, keep the band image at 500% centered on that artist, then move the playhead to the end of the frame, create a size keyframe, and set it to 100%.
Keeping the playhead in that same position, also create a position keyframe and drag the image back to the center. Now, with the band image back to its normal size, place the band video at the end. At this point, our project will be almost finished.
Now let's apply a transition between each frame cut. In this project, I used the pull-in transition.
At the beginning of the band video, I also applied the rotating light beams effect.
Then I added the soundtrack, adjusted the duration, and applied a fade out at the end.
Now let's add the captions. Drag the necessary text boxes over the first artist's frame, fill in the information, and complete the editing.
After that, copy this set to the other artists. This way, you only need to adjust each artist's information. If you want to go deeper, the other mini courses are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like so you don't miss the next tutorials. And finally, here is how the finished video turned out.